All right. Yesterday, I intentionally asked you one question. I said, if I is an imaginary number, 2i is also an imaginary number, then is this 2 an imaginary number? I've received so many comments, though most of you got it right. Why do I brought this question? Someone asked me this. I and I together, this right, will give us 2i. No doubt about it. So if I is an imaginary, another I is an imaginary, if we join them together, as a result, we got this 2i, then this 2 should be an imaginary number according to him. So this is why I asked you some question. So I'm here to clarify. This 2 is not an imaginary number. It is a real number. But why do we have this? It is only indicating the quantity of I there, meaning we have 2 of them. To prove this, if I have an apple and I have another apple, how many apples do we have together? We have 2 of these apples, 2 apples. So does it mean that this 2 is also an apple? Can you say that this 2, which your eyes can clearly see, is an apple? No, you only use that 2 to count the number of apples. It means what? Apples in the basket are 2 in number. Yes, that 2 only signifies the quantity and nothing more. So this 2 is not an imaginary number. It only tells us that we have 2 eyes there. 2 eyes. If I have a banana, another banana, we have 3 bananas. But this 3 is just a number, it's not a banana. It only indicates the quantity of banana in that basket. Did you understand? So this 2 is a real number, not an imaginary number. Hope it helps.